Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make traditional guacamole. First, gather your ingredients: 3 ripe avocados, 1 small onion, 1 jalapeno, a handful of fresh cilantro, and 1 lime. You will also need some salt to taste. Make sure your avocados are perfectly ripe for the best texture and flavor. A good guacamole starts with quality ingredients. Now, let's prepare our produce. Carefully cut your 3 avocados in half, remove the pits, and scoop the creamy flesh into a medium-sized bowl. Next, finely dice about 1/4 of a small red onion. Mince 1 jalapeno, remembering to remove the seeds if you prefer a milder guacamole. Finally, chop about 2 tablespoons of fresh cilantro. Time to bring it all together. Using a fork or a potato masher, gently mash the avocado to your desired consistency. Some prefer it chunky, others smoother. Add the diced onion, minced jalapeno, and chopped cilantro to the bowl. Squeeze the juice of 1 whole lime over the mixture. Finally, season with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt, then taste and adjust as needed. Your delicious, traditional guacamole is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately with your favorite tortilla chips or alongside tacos and burritos. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a few sprigs of fresh cilantro or a lime wedge. Remember, fresh guacamole is best enjoyed right away. Also, check the description for a link to those leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your kitchen needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.